Hi, my name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's get right to the question. 112 out of 200. Can you roll carpets up or move furniture around so that you can get under them and clean them? Now, this is one of the questions of the top 200 Social Security disability hearing questions that you'll likely hear at your disability hearing. But this is broken down. What you usually hear is, do you have any difficulty with cleaning? Or more realistically, do you have any difficulty with laundry, cooking, cleaning, or paying bills? It's just this little thing in there, cleaning, okay, 112. Can you roll carpets up, right? You wouldn't hear it this way in the hearing, but I'm saying think about it like this. When you hear, can you do cleaning? Can you roll carpets up, right? Can you bend down, kneel? Can you crouch? Can you stoop? Can you use your back to go ahead and put your arms out and roll the carpet? Can you lift the carpet up? Or move furniture around? Do you have the ability to lift corners of things? Do you have the ability to scooch things? Do you have the ability to, twist and turn with your body? Do you have upper body strength? Any shoulder issues? Any back issues? Any spine issues? Any waist issues? Any hip issues? Any whatever? So that you can get under them and clean them. So now we're talking about crawling, stooping, crawling, kneeling, being on the ground, being able to go ahead and get under something. Some people can't actually get all the way to the ground and get back up. Some people, when they're on the bed, they have to use systems like pulling a rope or some sort of system where they can grab onto something to pull themselves out of the bed. You might not have that if you had to go ahead and do a motel or hotel job to clean under something. Okay. All right, we're going to be going on to question 113. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or give me a call. I go live on YouTube to answer any and all free questions that pop my way from 8 to 10 on Thursday nights. I hope all is well. It's live on YouTube, so you just go to my YouTube channel. We're going to go on to 113 now. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews if this video helped you. And you'll see where to do that below in the bio. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.